welcome. Today is day 3 of Navaratri and today we worship Ma Durga in the form of Chandraghanta. Today, in continuation of yesterday's story, we're going to see how Ma Durga actually slayed Mahisasura, the most powerful Asura in the entire cosmos. How Ma Durga was formed by the three Murtis, the Shiva, the Brahma and the Vishnu. So once Ma Durga was formed and was sent to Goloka, to fight she needed weapons. Shiva, from his trident, got a trident and gave it to Ma Durga. Vishnu, his Sudarshana Chakra. Brahma, his Kamandalam. Likewise Indra, his thunderbolt. And many other devas and demigods gave all whatever weapons that they had to Ma Durga. All the weapons, she comes to Bhuloka. The entire Bhuloka kind of starts shaking when she steps onto it. And this directly is felt by the army of Mahisasura and of course Mahisasura himself. He had never felt this kind of a shake around his area. So he calls his soldiers to go and look for what happened. And within minutes, the army runs back to him and informs him, in fact warns him that a great warrior has come on her way to fight the king, the Mahisasura. Mahisasura starts laughing. He said, a woman warrior? Oh, a woman, after all, she wants to fight me. And he goes to look, who is that exactly a woman who is come to fight him? Of course, he felt it was just a woman. And as Mahisasura looks at Ma Durga, he immediately says, oh, I can marry you instead. Why you want to fight me? Ma Durga is silent. He understands that it is not any ordinary woman. Then fine, their fight starts. Now Mahisasura, he can change forms, any forms as he wants. So when the fight begins, at first he totally underestimated the power of the woman. But when Ma Durga gave a bow and he felt the shock, so Mahisasura turns himself into a buffalo and he tries to hit the lion where Ma Durga is riding on. This rages Ma Durga even more and she starts to fight even more fiercely. Now Mahisasura is not able to handle it, so he starts to hide. How does he hide? He runs and he takes a form of a lion and then he roars back at Ma Durga. But again, Ma Durga strikes back. Again he goes back and he turns into a half buffalo, half man. Again the strike begins, then he becomes an elephant and from there again becomes a half man, half buffalo, and then like this many forms he tries to take, and finally at one stage when he becomes a buffalo, Ma Durga is all ready with her trident and she's placed straight onto his chest, and there he falls tap to the ground, never to breathe again. Devas and Devatas, all of them surrounded, rejoicing the end of Mahisasura. The story of Ma Durga slaying Mahisasura. Thank you for listening to this story. What did you learn from it? Just share it in your comments. Meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting story.